Hello everyone and welcome back to another DIY video. Olivia here with Olivia's Romantic Home, and in today's video I'm going to be painting my back door. So this is a space that we have been working on actually for the last couple of months, and I really want to reveal it to you all, but I want to make sure that it's really nice and pulled together. I was noticing as I was kicked back on my little patio sofa that this back door just looks dingy, old. It used to have like an old deck attached to it, so there is some repair work around the sides that we're going to have to do, but I know one thing I can do is I can grab a paintbrush and a bucket of paint and just go ahead and give it a fresh coat of paint. So I always encourage you guys to kind of start with paint. It really can update a space, and it's a way you guys can make your homes a little bit more gorgeous on a budget. So hopefully we can get to some other projects in this video. If not, I hope you guys are inspired just to maybe grab a bucket of paint and refresh the space on your own. So let's go ahead and jump into this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe and follow me on all my socials. I do a ton of giveaways, as well as just love to inspire you guys with a ton of DIY videos. All right, let's get to it. So here is my patio before. This table has just become a junking ground, and this door needs a serious makeover. So the first thing I did for this back door was I just took some all-purpose cleaner and a rag and I wiped it down. I let that dry out, and now I'm going to go ahead and start with my first coat of paint, and the paint is called Repose Gray. It's by Sherwin-Williams. It's the color that I also used inside of my home. Now you guys can see over here that there needs to be a repair done to the side of this. I need to order some more of our exterior house paint, but I think at least if I start with the door, that's going to give me a jumping off point. It's going to make things look a little bit more fabulous. All right, I'm going to start with this paint job. One little quick tip I do have for you all is don't skip the step of taping off your knobs. I always think I can paint around them, and I always get paint on them. So it's just a quick little easy thing to do. And then I just took a regular old paintbrush and went to town painting this door. And I will tell you that I used 3 coats of paint on the door, and I used the Repose Gray, and then I used just a bright white on the trim finish. Now along the edges I still do need to have those holes patched. So originally on the back of our little patio we had like a little deck, and it had a trim and then like a little lattice finish that went over the top of it. So those parts do need to be repaired. Recently we poured a cement patio that's a little bit larger to kind of extend out our house. Rather than buying a new home, we decided just to love on the one that we have and extend out the back and give ourselves a little bit of patio and finally a yard. So now I'm just painting again the trim white, and then the gray door popped so nicely. I actually loved it so much I think I might want to paint my front door gray, although it was quite a bit of work, and I will tell you guys I am exhausted after this little patio makeover. So we found these pedestals at Hobby Lobby. They were like $19 on clearance, and I'm just going to use them to disguise the messed up wall until I can have somebody come out here and help me fix that, because I'm gonna have to order paint and then probably patch it. And honestly I might be able to do that myself, but that's, you know, going to take another day. So apologize for my hair, and the neighbor is mowing his lawn, but that's real life. These also were from Hobby Lobby, and I got them at 50% off. I'm just going to set this on top of the pedestal, and then I'm going to add one of these fake little boxwoods to it. Again, 50% off. And that is going to make this entryway look so much more grand. So I added just another pedestal again to the other side, added my little planter, and then some cute little boxwood. These are faux boxwood plants. I did spend a little bit more on this boxwood because I knew it would last a long time, and I wanted it to look really nice. And again, I am going to be adding in some beautiful ferns and some real flowers, but having these already done little plants really helps out. Now there's my creative director, Bingy Bear. We just popped this little welcome mat. This was actually on my front door, and I had just kind of cleaned it off. So really, this was a pretty good little budget-friendly project. And I think the gray with the white just pops so nicely. Let me know what you guys think. So here's a quick little peek around my little patio set. Now I am going to share with y'all how I made over this space next to my door. For some reason it had just become this total clutter drop zone. So we have this little bench next to the door over here, and it lifts up, and so I can store any outdoor goodies right in there, which is just perfect. Okay, so here's where I started with making over this space next to my door. I had this table, I had been crafting on it, so I covered it. Well, for some reason, after we covered this table, it just became a dumping ground for everything that we did not want to run back to the garage. And there are some of these goodies that we do need to keep outside, like the little Duraflame logs and the leaf blower. Those are two things that will be just fine to leave outside. And then some of the things really, like the power washer and just some of the other things, extension cords and whatnot, those really need to go back into the garage. So really creating this outdoor space, I didn't want it to feel like it was just a junky patio. You know, we selected this nice little patio furniture. I found a great deal on it. And so I thought, well, you know, since we have gone to so much work to have this beautiful patio, we need to have it all looking rather nice because it's an extension of our home. So I'm giving it a good little tidy up with my broom. I probably should have just got the leaf blower out, but I have a hard time starting it, to be totally honest with you. And so I'm just going to broom it up here really fast. And then I did move this little storage box, and it has this little flip top lid, and so you can just put all your goodies that now it will get wet inside of here, so I do need to find one that has like a sealable lid for things that we don't want to get wet. But these logs were sealed in plastic, so I think it will be just fine. And then I put some of our pool goodies in there, and then some binoculars. And then now with this patio set, it came with just these brown cushions, and it also came with cushion covers. So that was pretty exciting. So I can change out either look. And I did choose the gray. So when I selected this set, it was gray in the picture. And then it also has the brown option, but I do believe the gray covers are kind of supposed to be the ones that are shown off. Now, I will tell you that the seat cushions were pretty tricky to get on. So if you are trying to do seat cushions like this, squish that cushion down. You can like squish down on it and then pull that. You can pull the cover on a lot easier. And I did find this, a friend of mine recommended totallyfurniture.com, and so that's where I found this set. And then there's little Bingy Bear. He is such a little ray of sunshine, and I'm so thankful to have him as my little buddy during the day. I know a lot of you all get a kick out of him. You're going to kind of get a kick out of how he's watching me. He's kind of involved, and then he just gives up and takes a nap, which is definitely what I was ready to do after putting on all these cushions. But I was happy that I persevered. It was worth the work. Oh, and then on my little door that I made over, I did use 3 coats of paint on my door. So I would put some cushions on, let the paint dry, hug my dog, and then put more cushions on, sweep the patio up, rearrange things, and really try to create like an extended outdoor space. Now here's that little Dollar Tree DIY that we did a couple videos back. You guys have to check out some of my latest Dollar Tree DIY videos. Here's also the little Pottery Barn Dollar Tree. This is a Dollar Tree candle lantern, you guys. Oh my goodness, I felt like it looked so high end. And then I was out thrift store shopping, which Tuesday is my thrift store shopping day, and I found this beautiful coffee table. So the little storage bench that I put by my back door was actually supposed to go as the coffee table, but I just thought it would look a lot more elegant and put together and high end with like a glass coffee table. And I got such a great deal at the thrift store on this. Look how beautiful it is. It's perfect for outdoor with the glass top table. Now I will have to, spray it off to keep it tidy, but no biggie there. And then there's that little moss pot that I found at the thrift store and use that Dollar Tree little arrangement. Again, that was in my last video. I believe it's in my last video, so you guys definitely go check that one out. And here is our green grass. You guys, we finally have green grass. Never is the last, I think we've lived in this house 18 years, 16, 17 years, quite a while. We've never had grass. So, this is our first time finally getting grass. When they came in to do the patio, they also dug up like all the moon rock that was in our backyard. And so they put down some dirt and then we planted grass seed and there's our baby grass. So here is how it turned out, an extension of our home. I always host all of our family dinners. And so this is going to be a really nice spot for everybody to gather and spend family time together. I'm so excited. I want to have a barbecue this weekend just to get everybody together. It's such a huge patio makeover transformation, and I will share with you guys a little bit more on the other side of the patio. We've got kind of like some little lounge chairs. Now I haven't pulled all that together. This is the only part that I have together so far. But as always, comment and let me know what you guys think about this. Say hi to Benji Bear. And here, I always have a secret question for you guys in my video too. I'm giving away a $100 Amazon gift card. I want to spoil one of you all. Now, it will be announced Saturday, May 15th will be the winner. So you guys definitely drop a comment down below and let me know, what is your favorite type of thing to grill out on the grill? Give me some inspiration. I would love to hear from you guys and hear what you guys love to cook out. Do you do outdoor cooking? So anyway, a friend of ours gave us a really nice grill, so that was a huge blessing. So we're just excited to spend some time out here. Oh, and there's my roses. I had to share those with you guys as well. Okay guys, so that is going to be it for this video. I hope y'all are inspired to give your front door or back door a nice little coat of paint or fluff up your outdoor space. It is about 70 degrees here. It is finally sunny after tons and tons of rain. I'm a bit disheveled, so I apologize for my appearance, but I have been working all day long on this project to share with you guys and hopefully inspire you as well. If y'all are new, welcome. I'm Olivia's Romantic Home, and I love to share with y'all how you can make your homes boutique gorgeous on a budget. I feel like you can bloom where you're planted and have a fabulous space without breaking the bank. I would love to have you subscribe to this YouTube channel, punch that bell, and for everybody that comes back and loves on me and is part of this YouTube journey, thank you so much. I hope you guys are inspired. I also love seeing all of your group posts. I have Olivia's Romantic Home Facebook page. I post several DIY videos a day over there, as well as a free little group page that you all can share your inspiration, your DIY projects. So I love seeing what you guys are up to. Thank you guys again. Hey, pop over to my Instagram as well and follow me over there. I do share a good morning cup of coffee on all of my stories, at a little prayer card. I get all my prayer cards at Dollar Tree. So I can't wait for part 2 of some more of these makeovers. I feel like we should do a new series called Summer at the Cottage. My home is small and modest, but I feel like it's cottagey, and I just love to inspire you guys. So anyway, I'm gonna let you guys get back to your day. I can't wait for our next video, and until then, remember, be kind to yourselves and be kind to one another, and we'll talk to you very soon. Bye-bye.